What's good, faves? It's your fave, Miss Renee. You guys, I am back with another In the Kitchen Cooking with Fave.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor.
So tonight, ladies, tonight we are making fried burritos, which puts you in the mind of a birria taco. Mmm, mmm. Let me show you what we got going on. Okay, ladies, we have sauces, queso, peppers, shredded cheese, meat, paste, tomatoes, seasoning, and guac and okay, pico. So I forgot to say that this is a really delicious dish to make for Super Bowl Sunday or any fun family time, okay? These burritos are going to be bombdiggity.com. So go ahead and get you something to snack on, a little cracker, chip, or something, because I can guarantee you this spread is definitely going to make you hungry. Okay, so if you ready, come on, girl, let's jam. Okay, so I split my skillet up. I use ground beef and ground turkey. We're really not beef eaters. Then it was time to slice up all of these doggone peppers. You guys make it easy on yourself and buy them already sliced, maybe even chopped already too. So after I got them chopped, it was time to check on my meat. Okay, so after you drain off your ground beef and turkey blend, I went on ahead and put all my seasonings in there. I used some taco seasoning. I used those tomatoes. I've used my peppers. Just get it looking really delicious. I covered it with a lid and just let it simmer. Let those peppers do what they do. And y'all, I forgot to tell y'all that I was making shrimp burritos too. Ooh, look at these puppies. Y'all, they are so good. Let me tell y'all, if you don't use peppers, start cooking with peppers. It's a whole different ballgame of flavor. So then I just went on ahead in this mixture here and I added in some heavy whipping cream and some Italian shredded cheese and got it nice and creamy. Oh my God. I'm going to run over here and check on this ground beef and turkey mixture. Everything looks like it is ready to go. So let me do a little taste test. I'm just going to taste it. The sauce. Oh, wait, that's good. Okay, y'all, so I take out about 4 or 5, four different cheeses, open them up, mix them together in this bowl, and then I just toss them all together so that they are just really well blended. Now it's ready to start loading these big babies up, y'all. Took some of that mixture, laid some of that cheese blend, and just roll those puppies up. Oh my God. Now we got a plate and we're ready to go. Next up, frying them babies. So after they come out of the frying pan, this is what they look like, y'all. Y'all know when I was a little girl, there used to be a song called Cut the Cake, but this time we going to say, pass the plate. Pass the plate. Honey, pass that goodness over here. I'm ready to jam. Let's see if you can bite in it. Hey, Lexa.
Hey.
Okay, I don't know if you can get in there or not. Ooh, you might need a knife, baby.
Maybe so.
Can you break it? Can you get in there? Oh, you got a shrimp though, didn't you? Is that a shrimp? Yummy.
That's good.
Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Y'all, that is just so delicious. Where's my light at? Oh my God, so good. Mmm.
I need to go make y'all some.
Mm-hmm. These are delicious. Oh my God. Yeah, and I was starving because I hadn't really ate anything all day today. So, only halfway through and I'm so full. And I had one of the shrimp ones. Which one did you have?
Shrimp.
Oh my God, they are so.
And they're so big. They'll fill you
Oh
up
my
like
God.
halfway through.
Halfway through, you won't be able to eat it all.
Yeah.
It's just a lot. But it's so good. Now let me show you what else I made over here. Hold on one second. Okay, I also made these little sauces. Here's the beef one. And then there's a ranch one that you can pour on top of your burrito. Yeah. Just make them. It's easy. It's easy. Oops, excuse me. Make them, girl, so your family will be like, ooh, these are delicious. Mr. Applin ate too. Artist, how was your burrito?
They were good.
You got something right here, baby. They were good. Okay. All right, y'all.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor.